This video is just going to be a general overview and introduction to Le Chatelier's principle. In later videos, we'll look at more specific details dealing with each type of stress individually. Le Chatelier's principle deals with shifts in chemical equilibrium systems. So when we say shift, we can say a shift left or a shift towards reactance. All that means is that the concentration of our reactants will increase as a result of whatever we do to the system. We can also say a shift right or a shift towards the products. In this case, the concentration of our products will increase as a result of whatever we do to the system. So now it's important to understand what we actually mean when we say the word stress. So a stress is something that is imposed upon a chemical equilibrium system. So an action imposed on a system at equilibrium that causes the system to react. And Le Chatelier's principle states that the system will react to minimize the effect of the stress. So when we say shift left and shift right, it means that the system will alter the relative concentrations of species at equilibrium to try to get rid of whatever was imposed on it. And there are three types of stresses that we can impose on an equilibrium system. The first is changing the concentration of one reactant or product. The second is changing the temperature of the equilibrium system. And the third is changing the pressure and or volume of a gaseous equilibrium system. In the next few videos, we're going to look at what happens when we change one or impose one of these stresses to an equilibrium system and how that system will try to get rid of the stress that we've imposed by shifting left or shifting right.